Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Nicole and I typically like to do fashion DIYs, but in today's video, I am actually filming part 2 of my styling what I've made series that I've kind of started, and this one is featuring all of my favorite denim pieces that I have reworked recently and not so recently. If you like what you see, please be sure to give this video a thumbs up, and I will have all of the videos and outfit details listed down below so you can check that out. And yeah, if you haven't already, please be sure to subscribe. Let's get into the video. For this outfit, I am starting with this trendy halter tie-up top that I made, which was actually inspired by something I saw on Princess Polly's website. I paired it with a pair of mid-wash wide-leg jeans and a pair of cream loafers from Call It Spring. And the showstopper for this outfit is the multi-tone floral denim jacket that I thrifted and hemmed. And trust me when I say that this jacket looks way better now that it's a few inches shorter. You can check it out for yourself in my tutorial that I will have linked below. Up next is this denim pencil skirt. I made this from an oversized skirt I thrifted a while back. I love the idea of denim pencil skirts because they're long enough that I don't feel exposed. And I styled it with this floral silk tie-up top that I made as well, and added this bow hair scrunchie that I made from the leftover scrap fabric from the top DIY. I added some black chunky platform heels and this black chainmail bag that I thrifted. Okay, so honestly, I think this dress is my favorite piece I have ever made. I love the fit and the back detail, and obviously the fact that it's made from a lightweight denim. To accessorize, I added this bandana I made from leftover fabric from a previous project and added wicker earrings as well. Since it's open back and I'm most likely to get cold, I added this thrifted yellow cardigan that matches my bandana. And for shoes, I stuck with the black chunky platform heels. So I'm not going to lie, I forgot how cute this denim romper I made is until I put it on again. I don't really wear it much because I made the pockets white and you can see it, but I can easily swap out the white pockets for something that blends better, so I can start wearing it again. Since this piece pretty much speaks for itself, I added a pair of vegan combat boots and some red hoop earrings. For the next outfit, I am featuring this denim top I made from a Tommy Hilfiger button-down t-shirt. The shirt itself is a little long for the look, so I folded it up a few inches to look more like a crop top. I paired it with this midi-length black pencil skirt that I purchased from Aritzia like 7 years ago, and I styled it with some black accessories like these mules and a black shoulder bag. And for jewelry, I layered some gold jewelry and a pair of hoops. This next piece holds a special place in my heart because it was my first ever denim project. I took a pair of jeans and turned them into this denim pencil skirt. I styled it with this black mesh t-shirt with a black sports bra underneath. I wore a pair of black sandals and some silver earrings, and for my bag, I completely forgot to film it because it was very late and I was slowly losing my mind, but for the bag, I would have paired it with my little patchwork denim shoulder bag that I made. Couldn't do a denim styling video without featuring this little guy. So that pretty much wraps up this denim styling video. As I noticed, I forgot to put some sort of necklace on, so oh well, I tried. It's late, I'm tired, and yeah, let me know which outfit was your favorite down below, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye!